Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel, VirusK247. My name is Henry Waters, and if this is your first time watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that red subscription button down below so when I release new videos, you'll be the first to see it. Okay, in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you PHP echo and print statement for beginners. Okay, make sure you stick to the end of this video because you will be glad you did, and I'm sure you're going to learn a new thing. Okay, let's get to it right away. Okay, in PHP there are two basic ways to get outputs. One is echo and the other is print. Okay, in this tutorial we'll be using echo and print in almost every example we're going to be displaying on this screen. Okay, under PHP echo and print statements, echo and print are more or less the same. They are both used to output data to the screen, right? The differences are very small, I mean, or none. Echo has no return value, whereas print has a return value of 1. So it can be used in expressions. Okay, Echo can take multiple parameters, although such usage is always rare, whereas print can take only one argument. Okay, and it is said and has also been proven that echo is faster than print when displaying output on the screen. All right. Then the echo statement can also be used with or without parentheses. For example, if I type in opening and closing tags of PHP like this, then echo, if it is a string, double quotes, just like this, with a semicolon, then type in our text in between there. Then for parentheses, it will look like this. Remember, echo is not case sensitive, so you can also always use a capital letter if you choose. Just like this, this will also still work with a single or double quote, just like that. Okay, then type in your text in between. And when you save it and refresh, it will output these strings. All right. Okay. Now we're going to show you examples that will output text on our screen using uh, echo and print statements. Alright, I'll be making use of echo command to carry out this example. Alright, so I'm going to clean this. Then echo, let's say, um, what are we going to echo? Today is a good day. Alright, and also don't forget that we can add a HTML tag in the string, okay, in between that quotation mark. For example, HTML breakline tag, so that the next text that will be displayed on the screen will start from a new line. All right. In this one, I will be making use of single quotes. All works. I'm going to type in I am about to learn PHP. Okay, remember it always ends with a what? A semicolon. Then the next one, next example will be what? Echo. Okay, let me make use of capital letters. Echo. It will work because it's not case sensitive, even if we make use of capital letter for echo inbuilt function. This and put a comma is this is a good channel. YouTube channel. All right. Then we're going to save that hitting Control X. Then head over to our browser and refresh. See, today is a good day. I'm about to learn PHP. This is a good YouTube channel as written. Okay. All right. As we can see, our stored echo output is on the same line with the second. So, and we don't want that. So we're going to still add a HTML tag so that it will be in a different line. So when we refresh that, see, this is a good YouTube channel. All right. Okay, the next step is how to output text and variables with the ecosystem. Okay. All right, I will delete this, and in displaying variables, I'm going to output both the text and the variable with the ecosystem. For example, I'll divide my variable and give it a name of text1. In a string, I'll type in I love this channel. Okay, ends with a semicolon. Then next variable I will define is what? Text2. Watch this video to the end. All right, ends with a semicolon also. Now I will now be adding my integers now. Okay, then I'll give it a variable name of what? Integer1. Depends on you. The variable can be any name you want. In integers, if you want to perform an arithmetic operation, you are not advised to put your integer in a string, or else it will output it as a normal text, not as an integer. So my first integer will be 20, then a semicolon, then second one, integer 2, let me say 30, then a semicolon. All right. Okay, now using our echo statement now, in a string, I'll add a HTML tag. Okay, to output text and variables with an ecosystem together, what we'll do here is we'll do what is called concatenation. We'll add a period, then add our variable name text1. I'm adding this variable name. This will output this text in between these quotes. Also, put another period at the end there. And let me add another HTML tag, heading tag, all ends in what? Semicolon. The next line, string study well with us. Okay, that's that. Then to add this variable having this text in a string, like we did before, we'll add a period, which is called what? Concatenation. And text2, add another period. Then let me add HTML breakline tag. Right, okay, I can copy this as well, add it here so that each okay, it's not needed anyway. This is just okay, and with a semicolon as well. Then perform arithmetic operation for the integers. We're going to write the first integer name integer1. Let's perform an addition, then integer 2, all ends in what? Semicolon. Right, I'm going to put a break line tag here so that every output will start from a new line. Alright, well, if you save it and refresh, as you can see, I love this channel. There's supposed to be an L here. Alright, I love this channel. Study well with us. Watch this video to the end. See? So that worked as planned. Okay, under print statements, as mentioned earlier, the differences between print and echo, they are just small. They are almost the same. It's just that echo is a bit faster when displaying output, and also print will return an argument of 1, and they are also used in expressions. For example, I will comment this line. Commenting this line will prevent that code from running. Okay, it will not execute. Let me sorry, print that variable. Okay, text 1, save that, then head over here and refresh. See, I love this channel. The same thing goes there, and also we can also print a string. This is a very nice tutorial. Save that, refresh. This is a very nice tutorial. So as you can see, there's no much difference, okay, between echo and print. Now when it comes to output text and variables with the print statements, all right, so I'll comment that with // then uncomment these lines, change this to print, and print, and save that and refresh. See, it still outputs the same. Okay, so there's no much difference between echo and print statements. All right, it's just that echo is much faster than print, and print always returns an argument, and it also returns a value of 1. Alright, we have come to the end of today's tutorial on print and echo statements. If this is your first time of watching our videos, please do so by hitting that red subscription button, so when next I release new videos, you'll be the first to see it. And also, if you like this video, please hit that like icon. And if you have any question, also leave that in the comment section. I'll attend to you immediately. All right, I will see you next time.